Mission control. Yeah, baby. We're booting up at the strip.
The case is making it dig into my legs. Not pleasant. Oh, jeez. I've never wished for traffic as much as I do now.
I can't reach for this case. Jake!
Go ahead.
Oh no!
One clap. Perfect.
I put my phone in there so I could get it and never get it back out.
Seriously.
There's something in there.
Phone trap. There is.
Rattlesnake!
Ah!
God damn it! This is a shady area, I should have known. How'd you get that cactus in here?
Wow, what a gorgeous day. I mean, days like this, Kyle, they just make me mind feel up. You know what I mean?
Right? Yeah.
In a bro way. Yeah, totally bro way. Come on, man, YOLO! YOLO!
Yeah, you only die once too.
YOLO.
Stop it! God!
Oh, sorry.
See, the effed up thing is that I can't do that to your steering wheel, otherwise we'll all die.
True. There's some good footage though.
When I flip that down, I can't see anything. It really blocks.
It like takes up half the thing.
Like right above the
Give me the run there. I got headquarters in my ear.
Dude, give me a break here. No, don't break.
You sure?
I meant figuratively.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, this is speeding. You see the numbers coming. Okay, we're good.
Andrew, speed. Whenever you guys are ready.
Oh my god, dude.
I was like, I'm done. I'm out.
He didn't specify. He didn't specify.
Speeding
He
your
said
asshole.
when you were ready and I was ready.
What?
Okay.
Asshole.
The wind's blowing that way.
You
Don't
try to
take
take a
a
crack at it.
Natural. Oh, farts are natural.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, that's why God gave his butt so it's not like I was jumping.
Yeah.